Danny, what are you doing with your food and your milk cup?
I'm making a castle.
You're making a castle.
Okay, I'm making it.
You're both making castles out of rice and chow mein. I thought you liked chow mein.
Yep, I like chow
Hey, that's my chow mein. You like chow mein, but I can't even talk. Why don't you eat it instead of making a castle out of it?
I will eat that milk. I will eat that top.
You want to... How's that working out for you?
That's fine.
It's fine? Okay. Johnny, are you going to eat your chow mein off the top of your milk too? Danny did it. Wow, it's like a rice ice cream cone.
Yummy castle.
Yummy castle? Good job. Okay.
It's a sandbox.
It's like a sandbox? But you don't eat sandbox. Oh, castle like the ones you build in your sandbox, of course. Okay. All right.